Hello everyone, I'm Lila. Welcome to my dreamland. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this England style street line like this. Okay, let's rotate a little bit and see. And zoom in, see the details of this light. Okay, I'm gonna finish this light in 2 videos. Now let's start make the first part. First we open a new or part file in millimeter, and then select the top plane and extrude base. Draw a center circle. Use some smart dimension. It's 5 millimeter diameter, and exist the sketch. Okay, now the height of this tube is 160 millimeter, like this, and green check. Now revolve the base for this light pole. We select the front plane and then make a revolve. Okay, use the center line. Draw center line from the original point, vertical center line. Okay, check. And now I'm going to draw some features. So use the line to. I want to start the sketch from this line. So I'm going to draw a line collinear with this line. So exist that. So this is the baseline I'm going to use. And now use the 3-point arc. Draw 3-point arc like this. 3-point arc, and then another 3-point arc. Try not to give them relation, just to draw something, and then another one. And I can use the line to draw a line connected to this end point. Okay, so this line is horizontal. Okay, now adjust the position of this. I'm gonna use the smart dimension, fix the length of this. I want it 75 millimeter. Don't worry about this. And this line I want it like 20 millimeter. Okay, now exist the smart dimension. We're gonna adjust this position. I'm gonna give some relation, so hold control this one, made them a tangent. Okay, so this one, hold control this one, tangent. Okay, so this one should just the position up. This part a bit smaller. Okay. Okay, now seems okay for me. So I'm gonna give the dimension of this once more. So 75 and a green check. Okay, if you like, you can fully define this sketch, but I just want to leave like this, and you can adjust the position. So exist the sketch, and the revolve I'm gonna revolve the axis is the center line, not this line. So I'm going to use the center line revolve like this. So green check. Okay, now this is the base of the straight line. I'm going to cut the bottom a little bit. Select this face and extrude cut, and draw a center circle, and give the smart dimension. The diameter of this, I want to fix diameter is 35 millimeter, and exist the sketch. And the cut up and the through, and the yellow part is the part you want to cut off. So we don't want this part cut off. Click here, flip side to cut. We want to cut off this round ring here. So green check. Okay, now this is the base of the light, of the street light. Now I give some support frame, support tube here. So this time select this face and then make the extrude base. Draw a center circle. give the dimension of this circle. Dimension of this I want to make it 1 millimeter. Okay, and extrude up. The distance of this extrude is 10 millimeter. Okay, and I can check. This is gonna support the first bob. So I'm gonna click this face and make a extrude base. I'm gonna make a square center rectangle from this center and draw a rectangle like this. Select and hold the control. Select these two edges and make them equal. Now this is the square, and I give them a smart dimension. So the length of the edge is 10 millimeter. Okay. The distance of the extrude, I want to make it 5 millimeter. No, 0.5 millimeter. This is the base of the bob. Okay, now I'm gonna extrude base the bob on this top face. So click this face and then make the extrude base. I want to use the offset entity. The distance is 5 millimeter, and this face I want is point inside. So green check, and now this is done, and we can exit the sketch. We're gonna extrude this. So extrude this. The depth of this is 20 millimeter. And the point up, but I want to use the draft on the angle is 10 degree and draft outside outward like this. Okay, remember to check here and then gray check, and okay, this is the bob, the light bulb, the base of the light bulb. Now I'm gonna make the frame for this light bulb. For this one I'm gonna slowly double click twice and name it light bulb, because I'm gonna change the color later, so I'm gonna name it like this. Or you can change the color now, it's gonna be easy to make. So light bulb and the scene here and the appearance. I'll use the lights. I will use LED light like this, and appearance, the selection. Okay, this is the bulb. Or you can transparency. Or maybe here we can change the transparency, that you can see it through this. So I'm gonna make the frame for this light bulb. So select this face. Remember the face that we make the light bulb on this top face. So select this face again and make the extrude base. You can rotate this a little bit. Just make it easy to see. Okay. Normal too. I'm gonna use the line, draw something like this. Draw from this line here, draw a horizontal line connected to this corner point. Draw like this, and then this inner corner point, and close it like this. And then we draw four corners of this light bulb. Another one. Okay, one more. From the corner point, I'm gonna make the corner frame for this light bulb. Light bulb. Okay, select. Now give the smart dimension. So select this one and hold the control. Select this one. Select all of them. The outer corner edge. Hold the control. Select all of them and give them a relation equal. And give them the smart dimension. So length of this I want to make it is 1. Now we fully define this. So exit the sketch. And we do the extrude base. Extrude base, so the distance is 20 millimeter, and we use the draft 10 degree draft on, and we use the click here, draft outward like this. Draft outward. Okay, and then green check. Okay, don't worry about this, we're going to cut this off. So select this face and select the extrude cut. Use the line, draw from this point and draw something up. And then this line should be extend from this line, yeah, like this. So basically this line is collinear with the top line, this line. And I draw this to bottom somewhere. We want to make this big enough to cut off the things we want. So select this and give the relation, select this line and hold the control and select this line and make them parallel. Okay, this one is done. And I use the line tool again and draw from this point, draw a line like this. Click here, should pass maybe longer. Okay, to bottom somewhere here, and close this sketch. Okay, select, and then select this line, hold the control, and select this edge, make them parallel. Okay, now we do not need to fully define this, we just want to cut all of this part off. So exit the sketch. Here we select the up to surface, and the surface here is this outside face of the light bulb, and green check. See, we cut the extra off. So we're going to repeat this for all the other face. So extrude cut, use line tool, draw line. Okay, along from this point. Now in the sum relation, hold the control this line and this edge, make them parallel, and hold the control this edge, rotate a little bit. Make sure you select the right line, parallel. Okay, see this one is yellow. This will make the length we want. So exit the sketch up to the inner face. Green check. Okay. Repeat. Extrude cut. In the relation, just this line, hold the control, select this edge, make them parallel. This edge, hold the control, parallel. Okay, now exit the sketch. Up to face, up to surface, this inner face, green check. Okay, now the last one, extrude cut. Use the line to draw from this corner, somewhere here. Okay. The last one. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Okay. Now give the relation this one, rotate a little bit, hold the control, select this one, and a parallel, and this one, hold the control, select this one, and the parallel, and a green check. Okay, and exit the sketch. And up to surface, this is the inner surface, and green check. Okay, now this is the portal frame for these edges, and at the bottom we need to do the bottom frame. So we select the top face of this again once more. So this face, select this face, and make the extrude base. This time we only need to use the corner rectangle. Zoom in and select this corner, draw up to this corner. Okay, like this, and draw another one from this corner up to this corner. Okay, now from this corner to this corner, and then the last one, draw from this corner to this corner. Okay, now select, and all this fully defined. So just need to do the extrude base. So rotate, give a nice view. So exit the sketch. This is still the same, but the distance of this is 0.5 millimeter, and this still the draft 10 degree draft outward, and a green check. Okay. Now this is the bottom. You can see the bottom under the lens. The lens support frames for this light bulb, and we can change the light bulb here, change the transparency and change it back. Okay, so this is light bulb. We're gonna make the top for this light bulb. First, we're gonna make a reference plate first. So select the reference plate, and they're gonna make this one first from this edge. Two references, this edge and this edge. Okay, this is the new plane. Green check. This is the plane we're gonna do the revolve on. So select this plane and select the revolve base. You can hide this plane, and then is the center line. Draw center line from this line, vertical center line. Vertical center like this. Okay, now we draw the shape of the top. So all this revolve, you can make the shape you like. So just select the line first. I want to select do the horizontal and the vertical line, and then use the 3-point arc. No relation, just the 3-point arc, and then another one. This one I want to flip this way. Okay, then select, and I give some relation. So this one, hold the control, and this one I want to make it tangent. Tangent seems better. Okay, now all I want to do is fix the length of this. So the length of this I want to fix in 5, and distance from this point to this point I want to make 12.5 millimeter. Okay, this is the top of this bulb, and exist the sketch and the revolve like this. This is the axis, and the green check. Okay, this is the top, and then I can use this plane to make the top decoration for this bulb, and select this plane and the revolve base. And again, this time use the center line, draw a center line from this point. This is midpoint of the top arc. So draw like this. See, it's black, means it's fully defined. And now we're gonna do another shape for this. So it makes this longer. Okay, fix this. Okay, I can use the 3-point arc first. Draw the 3-point arc. I won't give them relation. 3-point arc, this one, and then another one. This one point in this way, and then the other one other one, then one more. This one, no relation. And this one pointed in this way. This way. Okay. I'm gonna use the line to connect this. This is the horizontal line. And escape. Okay. Now I'm gonna make the sum relation. So select this one and hold Control, select this one, make them a tangent. Drag this up a little bit. Okay, so this one and this one, tangent. Also, you can make the tangent arc in this step. This one and this one, tangent. Okay, something like this. And I'm gonna move this down a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna shape this. Okay. Now I'm gonna make another. Use the center point arc. I draw a kind of a half circle on the top of this. So a little bit connected with that one. Connected like this. Okay, select. And the trim off this part. Select. Okay, something like this. I'm going to use the line to connect it. This to end point. And select. Make this smaller. Okay, move the head down. Distance of this is 9 and shape this. Make it looks this part is shorter. This part bigger. Shape it. Okay. I want to keep the length of this is 9mm, and you can shape it by yourself. So I'm gonna leave it like this. So exist the sketch, and revolve like this. Use the center line and green check. Okay, this is the decoration top of this bob light. We're gonna make some. Next, we're gonna make some like the support frame for this bob light. Also for decoration. We are gonna make the path on this plane one. So select the plane one and sketch. Make a sketch. Now we draw the 3-point arc. Do something like this. 3-point arc. This is the 3-point arc. Step. Gonna move this out. Move this out a little bit. Okay, and select the 3-point arc again. Start from this point, and let's draw another 3-point arc. And 3-point arc, and draw. Try not to give them relation. Just draw some 3-point arc, and draw one more. And then draw another one. Okay, leave it like this. Give some relation. So select this one and hold the Control. Select this one, make them tangent. And this one, tangent. This one and this one, tangent. Oh, all of them. And this one and this one, tangent. Okay. And this one and this one, tangent. Okay, now we're gonna we need to position this. Position this. So make it look like this. Change the position of this arc. I'm gonna delete this one. If it not need this one, just delete this one, and we can make this one longer. Okay, and then I'm gonna select the line connected from this point to a little bit inside this pole of this bulb light, street light. So select this one and hold the control, select this one, make them a tangent. Okay. Now move them. You don't want the top part to touch the light. A little bit close, but not touch. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. So I can use select the line again and draw a small line here. And select this line and hold the control and select this arc, make them a tangent, and give the distance from this to this. Distance is 0.2. And this is okay. Select. This is the trick here. Let's be inside. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this. Seems better. Okay, you can fully define this, but also you can just leave it like this. I'm gonna leave it like this. Exit the sketch, and now slowly double click twice. Double click make it pass. Okay. And now remember here we need to add a new reference plane, and select the plane here. And the first one is this line, and it should be perpendicular with this one. And the second reference is this point, past this point. Okay, and check. This is the new plane we make for the profile. So click this and make a sketch. You can rotate to the way you like. Zoom in, and okay, just draw a center circle anywhere and give the dimension, and the dimension of this is 0.5 millimeter, and this is for decoration, so scenery is okay. Click the center of the circle and hold the control and click the path, make them pierce. Okay. This is the black is fully defined, and exit the sketch. Slowly click twice and name it profile, and we do the swap base. So the profile and the path like this. Green check. Okay, this is the first decoration we have. Now we need only need to mirror this. So select the mirror, and the mirror face is the front plane. And the feature to mirror is the sweep one and the green check. And now mirror again. This time select the right plane, and feature to mirror is the mirror one we did. So now we can have two of them in the other side. Okay, now I got this is for decoration. The decoration supporting frame for this bulb light. Okay. This time we're gonna stop here. Next time we're gonna make this England style street light. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.